As a community pharmacist, you provide clinical services to your patients every day. You will be offering more of these services as a result of upcoming changes to the laws and regulations that govern your practice. To help you provide and document your clinical services, such as prescribing for minor ailments, Vigilance Santé has developed RxConsultAction, a web application that integrates with all pharmacy software. Let's discover it through an example. Start by selecting the service. You can perform a search by keyword or by using the quick links located at the top of the page. Once you select the clinical service, the corresponding form will open. Notice that the patient's information remains displayed for reference on the right side of the page. RxConsultAction was designed to help you comply with the regulatory framework. Moreover, so you can obtain additional information without leaving the application, we have included a summary of legal requirements for each service. Notice that links to external relevant content, such as guidelines, are provided when available. To assist you in your clinical decision-making, the application features a dynamic form that adapts to the selected options, indicating the answers required to continue. Remember that RxConsultAction respects your professional judgment and will never prevent you from proceeding with your clinical service unless there are legal limitations. Based on the current service, action blocks are displayed. In this example, you could prescribe medications, schedule follow-ups, or refer the patient to another professional if needed. By allowing you to perform all the necessary actions within the same form, RxConsultAction ensures complete and efficient clinical patient care. You may also order laboratory tests if permitted in your province. The prescribe block is probably the one you will use the most frequently. RxConsultAction provides prescription assistance by displaying a suitable list of treatments. By clicking on the desired combination, you can access the commercially available products. And you'll certainly appreciate the icons that indicate the product's provincial coverage. Also note that multiple prescriptions can be created within the same form. Simply click on the Add button. At this point, you may decide to conclude your intervention. If your pharmacy software allows it, you can also schedule a follow-up directly in the application. It will then automatically be linked to your calendar, so you don't have to enter the information multiple times. In addition, if you wish to direct the patient to another professional, you can generate a referral request to hand to the patient. Finally, by clicking on Conclude Intervention, you can access the documentation management and claim sections. At this point, you can print a summary for the pharmacy and other prescribers, as well as the documents to be given to the patient, including the prescription and relevant information sheets. You may choose to claim the service or not. All information is then returned to the pharmacy software, which will automatically create prescriptions, proceed with the claims, and record the information in the patient's file. There you go. You have successfully provided your clinical service. We hope you have enjoyed this overview of RxConsultAction. This web application will be regularly updated to make it the most complete tool available. This will make RxConsultAction your ideal clinical service assistant.